guys, good morning. We're almost in Juneau. We actually had a time change, so we had to set the clocks back an hour. So we got an extra hour of sleep, but now we are on our way to breakfast. We're going to try one of the sit-down places for breakfast today. Here's the menu where we're eating. We're eating at the same place we ate lunch yesterday. I'm conflicted because I want to try this, but I don't know if my stomach will like that first thing in the morning, so I don't know what to do. They gave us a little container of cinnamon rolls. Oh, this is the way to start the morning. These are the Dill Spinach Salmon Pancakes, and they're different than I thought they'd be. It looks like it is just this, the pancake itself is literally just made out of spinach and dill maybe, with some smoked salmon on top. So I'm really interested to try this now. Looks like they serve it with some sour cream, and I ordered hash browns and bacon as well. So this pancake tastes differently than I was expecting. It's not nearly as flavorful as I was hoping. I do get a little hint of like spinach flavor when I bite into it. No dill, and I think this is the only salmon that's in anything. It is good with the sour cream, and I did try a bite with the dill and salmon and sour cream, and that was good, but I was hoping it would kind of all just be together in one thing. So I mean, it's all right. Not what I was expecting. These hash browns though are like the VIP for breakfast for me on the Norwegian Bliss. They are so good. They have like shallots in them or something that really takes them to the next level. I love them. This has been one of our favorite ways to start the morning, is with morning trivia on the Norwegian Bliss. Next up is napkin folding. I don't know if we get to fold napkins or what, but we all know how the origami ended. I hope it's just an observation type thing. I think napkin folding is my new calling. Look at that, a rose. Look at this, I'm 2 for 2. This is a Christmas tree.
Okay, now the eyes, so missing is the wings. Okay, I will use the yellow one to make the wings. Wow. So this is the open wings.
And then using the chocolate one, yeah, for the...
Okay, and then the bitter sweet.
I went to another of the art auctions this morning, and I got this free work of art just for attending. Here's the first plate of lunch, some highlights. Maple pecan chicken, fish fingers, this is curried chicken salad, and this pretzel roll. And I think we have just officially stopped in Juneau, and look at this view. Some more lunch selections. We're eating kind of a bigger lunch because we won't be eating till much later tonight after our excursion. So I have pad thai here, shrimp crackers, which I tried and are really good. I have roti, and I think this is the roti and naan bread right here. And then this is some saffron rice. I also got a shrimp salad wrap there as well. This is what it's like getting off the boat at one of the ports. This is kind of the craziness after you get off the cruise ship. There's shuttles to town, there's tour groups leaving, so we're gonna take this opportunity to walk the mile to town. So that was kind of crazy figuring out where to go. We're gonna have to go back there to catch our helicopter tour, but this seems to be the right way. We're finally on the pathway to Juneau. On our way to Juneau, that is, can't see where I'm pointing, but that's our cruise ship right there. This is the Golden Princess. I think that's Holland America right there. And I don't know who's at the end, but 4 cruise ships in port. This is the Mount Roberts Tramway going up. See, it goes up all the way right there. Probably a great view from up there. So this is the the main drag of Juneau. I want to say this is Franklin Street. Definitely a cute little shopping area. And then look at this backdrop. Seems to be one of the more famous places in Juneau, the Red Dog Saloon. Heading to our shuttle van for our helicopter ride. So we just walked in. Looks like we need to weigh ourselves, sign some waivers, and then looks like there's a little instructional area over here. We should be on our way out there to the helicopter soon. We had to put on these overshoe glacier walking things. It kind of feels like you're stepping on like squishy things, but they're kind of cool. Here's the airfield we'll be taking off from. Full disclosure, I'm just a little nervous.
Parts of the ice fields that are over a mile thick with ice, which is pretty impressive considering it takes about 100 feet of snow to create 10 feet of glacier ice.
Hey, sweetie. Hi. Hi. Hi.
I think this looks like the best dinner yet. This is at Taste, which is another one of the complimentary restaurants here on the Norwegian Bliss. This is the sirloin. I got some horseradish for it, cream spinach, and a loaded baked potato. Perfect post-dog sledding and glacier walking meal. This dessert looks amazing. It's the brownie s'more. You see it has marshmallows on top with chocolate drizzle, the graham cracker crunchies on top, and even the marshmallow sauce is burned a little bit, just like over a campfire. Wow, this pool deck area looks so gorgeous at night.